Hello, in this video I will tell you how you can install SSL certificate on Bluehost. So if you are using Bluehost, you can easily install SSL certificate. You can go to websites and here we will have to click on edit site. So here is my website and here you can see it is currently not secure. So if we type the S, which is for SSL, and here you can see not secure. Here we can click on settings and we can click on security, and here you can see that we have SSL certificate but it is not showing on the website. So for this we will have to chat with the Bluehost, and we have their phone number and we can also live chat with them. So here you can see we can just message them and you can see what I am writing on, and you can just say the same to them. So their support is actually very good and they provide you instant support. So here you can see they say that they will install the SSL certificate within 2-3 minutes, and here you can see they say that they have installed the SSL certificate. And here we can go to the website and here you see that now there is no not secure warning over there. If you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. Your engagement not only supports me but also helps YouTube recommend my channel to more viewers. Thank you for helping me grow. See you next time.